Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open and edit a PDF in Google Docs. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Google Docs and then you're going to click on File at the top left. Click on Open, and here you're going to select Upload, or you can also upload from your drive or any other shared drive you have. And then you're going to click on Browse and simply select that PDF file that you wish to add, or you can also drag and drop it. So I'm going to simply drag this PDF onto here. So once the file is uploaded, you'll be able to see it loaded in your Google Docs and you'll be able to interact with it. You can do whatever you want, such as you can edit it, you can remove it, you can alter any content you want. Once all of the editing is done, you can go to File and you can download the new document or also save it in your drive. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.